Hi there. So here's another card kit that I'm offering. It uses stamp set Beautiful You, which is just a great stamp set to have on hand anyway. But that's where these images come from. So let me show you how I did this card. So this is what your kit looks like. You have a piece of crumb cake card base, and then you have two Whisper Whites that are 4 by 5 1/4. This one is the inside and one is the front of your card. You have your little piece of ribbon. You have a piece of Designer Series paper that fits the front of your card base like this. And then you, card front like this. And then you have a little scrap that looks like this. So this is what we're going to cut her umbrella from. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Yes. So the first thing we want to do is stamp. And I have my image here on a block. I'm going to use black Memento ink. And on the inside, I want to stamp the words that says, "Life looks beautiful on you." So with my black ink, and hold that down, let the ink sink into the paper, not applying too much pressure, just holding it firm. Nice. And then on this piece, this is going to go to the bottom, so I want to stamp my lady about here, and I'm going to turn over this way and stamp her this way. About there. I'm going to hold that down, let the ink sink into the paper to get a nice crisp image. Very nice. And then of course the Happy Birthday Gorgeous will just go in this area next to her. Ta-da! Pretty. So while I have my ink, I'm going to bring a piece of scratch paper in, and I'm going to ink up just her umbrella again. And stamp that on this scrap here. And then with my paper snips, I'm going to fussy cut that umbrella out just right on the line with no border. I'm not going to worry about the top of the umbrella. I'm going to just cut that little black piece right off. There we go. Not hard, doesn't take long at all to cut those little umbrellas out. So let's assemble the card. So I'm going to take my card base and fold it, give it a good crisp fold with my bone folder, put the ink away before I put my hand in it. And then this, the front, and this piece here, I'll assemble those next. Trying to line it up so the bottom and the edges are flush. Then with a couple glue dots, I'm going to put a glue dot on the corner, or on the end of the glue here, and the end of the ribbon here. Well, it didn't stick. There, now it did. Put this across here. Now you can see if you've stamped your lady high and you need to move your ribbon up here, that's fine. If you stamped her low and you need to move it down here, you can fix that little area so that it's a good border with your ribbon. And then just tuck those ends around onto the back of your card, like that. Then when I run my tape, I'm going to run right over that ribbon to make sure it's anchored down. Okay, fine. Anchored down pretty good. In fact, I'm going to go over it one more time so that it sticks good to the base of my card base here. Right there. A couple more glue dots on the back of my umbrella. And line that up here. Oh, and then the inside. So there you go. So this is card kit number 4. And my card kits are to purchase. They're $3 each, or if you buy 4 or more, they're $2.50, and I'll ship them to you. If you're interested or you have any questions, be sure and leave a comment below. And you can click on the playlist to see other cards, that card kits that I'm offering right now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.